Hi guys, so I just made a haul video. It will definitely go up before this video does. I just haven't uploaded it yet. I originally said I was going to store my Sofft tools in this container, but they're not going to fit. The handles are too long, plus they need to be semi-airtight for these ones, that way they don't dry out and get brittle. So I feel like I'm missing one of these. Is there anything in the top of that one? No. I don't know. Anyways. Oh no, the other pack came with a full set. That's right. Okay, never mind. Not missing one. Anyways, so what I bought instead with this, I wanted to get the Sterilite wide tabletop 3-drawer organizer because it had the drawers that pulled in and out, but then I knew that I would have to get containers that were either somewhat airtight or somehow to organize these smaller bits. And then I found this one on Amazon, and it is not cheap. I will link it down below. I think I paid like $35 for it, but it's the best of both worlds. And let me go ahead and open it. And this is made by My Gift, I believe is the name of the company. So when you open up the top, it's got this. Oh, this comes out. Oh, fancy. It's got this divider that gives you 6 compartments. And then if you unclasp these on the side, you can lift this up, and it's got this with dividers in it. Or you can clip this back on. Maybe. Why is this not lining up? There it goes. And then from the front, you can undo this and pull the drawer out like that. Plastic stuff. So, is this going to be long enough? Yes. Okay. So, I'm going to start to organize all of this into this container. Hopefully it fits, because I really, really like this solution. But we will see. Okay. Let me go ahead and get started doing that. And this thing keeps tipping on me. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Maybe I should organize these sponges first into groups of what I have, and then I'll start putting them away into here. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll pull up my chair and sit down while I'm doing that. Okay, I've got a lot. Where to begin? Oh, It's like I'm missing my eraser. Okay, move that out of the way. I guess let's start with these open containers. This is probably gonna be boring for y'all to watch, but I don't know, should I do this part off camera? And then, don't know. I feel like I hear a beeping noise. I don't know if anybody else hears a beeping noise. I feel like I hear one though. Okay, so that's those. A packet of these can go in. Hopefully I'm in frame. Okay, so that's that. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm back. The kids needed drinks and the gallons were too heavy for them. So let me try to do this. Okay, let's see. Trying to keep things in frame. Okay. think we got it now. Oh, these go with those. So as you can see, you can buy tons of options for these sponges. I don't know if I want to keep the white ones separate from the blue ones. And the white ones up here in this corner with the black handles, those are a knockoff brand. But that's what I use to swatch. No, I use these to swatch. Never mind. I use those to swatch the darks. I got the darks in. Okay. So... Alrighty. Okay, let's see. Let me see something real quick. I want to see if this palette knife, no, but do like that. I think I want the palette knives on the bottom. This is strictly a video of me talking to myself and trying to organize these, so if this is not the video for you, please feel free to click off of it. I like organizational videos, so this is right up my jam, but well, I guess I could just switch that out in a second. Oh well. That is in there crooked. There. Alrighty then. Help. Let me take these out. Okay. These can go in there. These can go in there. These can go in there. These can go in here. And these four, I'm not going to leave them in the plastic. I was debating on it, but I might be able to just grab and go. Okay, so those can stay in there. Not sure about those yet. Alrighty. So these can go in here with their little applicators. Okay. I think this is gonna work. I hope this is gonna work. I'll move this one off to the side for right now. Okay, so in here, I'm gonna just split this open, put these in the ones they go in. I got quite a few of these, so it should be good for a while. Okay, these are all sealed, but they're the same one, so they can just go into here, down there. These are all that one. These are all that one. Okay. Then I'm going to open this up. Probably should have opened it up one at a time. Okay, these can go into there. These can go into there. Those can go into there. Come on. And those ones can go into there. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Whoops. Okay. Then I have I think I am going to put these with the original version of them. Like, I know I opened this. Okay. Oh, they're mixed in there. Let's see how difficult this is going to be, or how time consuming. Sorry, this video might be more on the longer side than the haul video. Okay. Now, the thing about this storage is, if I don't have enough space, I can buy another one of these trays. They're just kind of expensive. I don't remember how much they are. I think that they're like $19 for just one tray. Okay. So then got 4 different sizes of these. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Will these fit in here? All of them? Sorry, I'm off camera a little bit. Okay, that fits in there. These. Okay, that fits in there. these ones next. Okay. Okay, let me clip these two together. Move that right there. And then bring over the lid. Okay, let's see if these are all gonna fit. Don't know if I can get 2 more in there. Oh yeah. Awesome. So I have the option to always buy another tray like this if I wanted to move these down. These this and this down. But I think this is going to work. These are a lot smaller than I thought that they were going to be, the round ones. Like, I read the size, and I did read that was 2 inches, but for some reason it just, I think it's 2 inches. It just seemed like it was going to be bigger. Okay, and 1 more. Perfect. Does that close? No. There, that closes now. Okay. So let me throw this trash away real quick because it's okay. And the camera slipped again. Alright, so the top drawer. Yeah, the top drawer I have. I'm gonna keep one of these packages. I have the round oval and the point. The big oval, the round, the wedge, the flat wedge, angle slice, whatever it's called, and then the round angle slice. In the next drawer, I have the wedge and the looks like a flat to me, but it's whatever that word is at the end. Then I have the eyeshadow looking applicators. Then I have these applicators with their assortment of refills. Then I have the blue Sofft tools plus the knockoff and their applicators. And on the next tray, I have these ones. So the point ones are number 4s. These are number 1s. These are number 2s. And these are number 3s. And then I've got all of their different sock thingies to put on them. The only thing that I don't have is a spot to put my extras of these, because I don't want to lose them in case if I ever decide to redo this. let me open this up real quick. I was really hoping to get some erasers in here, but that's just not going to happen. Let me see. Will these fit in here? Oh, they will. Cool. There you go. And then I want to keep one of these packages so I can remember the names of them. I'll grab one of the smaller ones. And really, let me grab some scissors. I just need that's odd. Just need this piece right here. Yeah. Okay. And I can just pop that in with that. So I have that piece there. Alrighty. So, oh, I also kind of wanted a spot for my extra lids that I'm going to have. Whoops. But those aren't going to fit in there. They would fit like this, but I don't want to take up that much space. I'll find something to do with the lids. But anyways, this is how I'm going to store my Sofft tools. I have a whole bunch of jars too that had the extra wedges in it that came with those smaller sets. So I'll have to find somewhere to put that. Should I keep this one too? I might as well. Okay, just put that at the bottom. Put both of these at the bottom of these. Okay, there you go. Now it's all nice and ready to go to put on my pan pastel desk, which I'm going to take a picture and upload to Instagram, but I'm not going to probably put in the video. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I think y'all have suffered enough through me doing this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.